Bismillah. Salam. Okay, we will talk about who and whom. Sino or sino at kanino. Para kanino. Ano ba? Okay, let's start. Who versus whom. Let's not get confused. No? Madali lang to. Who is used to refer to the subject of a sentence. No? So, subject, ibig sabihin pwedeng he, she, they, no? Alright. For example, who made this delicious palapa? Who made this delicious palapa? Ayan. Who is referring to the subject of the sentence. No, dito sa sentence na ito. Pwede natin siyang palitan, no? Yes, pwede natin siyang palitan, no? Because who is siya yung subject, no? So pwede nating sabihin he or she made this delicious palapa. Okay. So whom naman used to refer to the object of a verb or preposition. So, whom, siya yung object, ibig sabihin, ang gagamitin ay him or her. Okay? For example, whom did we invite? Sino ang in-invite natin? No? So, object siya. Okay? Ang pwede nating ipalit is okay, we invited him. So, ayun, napalitan yung object natin na kanina, no? We invited him. Naging object na siya. Alright? May tips tayo para dyan, no? Para hindi tayo nalilito. Okay? When to use who and whom. When to use who and when to use whom. Use the he or him method, no? So yun, pag who ang nandoon, try nating palitan ng he or him, no? If you can replace it with he, then use who. Okay, for example, who or whom made this yummy palapa? So anong pwede nating ipalit? Try natin ng he. He made this yummy palapa. Okay? Mukha siyang tama, di ba? Palitan natin siya ng he. He made this yummy palapa. Ayan, klarong-klaro. So, the sentence is correct. Di ba? Kasi, ang subject natin is he. So, siya yung gumawa ng yummy palapa na yan. Ibig sabihin, tama yung pipiliin natin na who made this yummy palapa. No? Tama yung ginamit natin na who. Excuse me. If you can replace it with him, then use whom. Okay, for example, who or whom did we invite? So, palitan natin ng him. No? Let's try to replace who or whom with him. Okay? Kasi object siya, di ba? So, pag object, pwede nating palitan ng him or her. Him did we invite? Him did we invite? So, parang kakaiba, no? Sounds awkward. So, try to rephrase the sentence. Him is an object. So, we put it in the right place as an object. Okay? So, ilagay natin siya sa tamang place niya as an object. So, magiging, did we invite him? No? Did we invite him? So, nasa object place na yung him natin. Okay? So, sounds right na. Let's go back to the question. Who or whom did we invite? No? So, ano yung tamang sagot natin? Kasi, since pinalitan natin siya ng him, and tama naman, ibig sabihin, whom is the correct pronoun, no? So, whom did we invite? tama. Alright? So, did you understand? Siguro naman, no? Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And then, I think you are ready for a quiz. Okay? Ready for a quiz? So, here is the quiz. Excuse me ulit. Okay, so remember, pag pwedeng palitan ng he or she, ibig sabihin who ang gagamitin. Pag him or her, ibig sabihin whom ang gagamitin. Okay, good luck! Okay, time is up. So let's talk about the answers, no? Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you got all the answers correctly. Okay, 1. Who married whom? So pwedeng he married her, diba? So tama ang sagot. Number 2. Whom did you call first? Did you call her first? No? So her, ibig sabihin whom. Number 3. He will go with me. So, ibig sabihin, who ang tama. No? Who will go with me. Next, number 4. He or she or they are coming for dinner. Kasi marami, no? Plural, are. So, who are coming for dinner. Number 5. Did they send her to Korea? So, tama. Ibig sabihin, whom ang gagamitin. Whom did they send to Korea? Number 6. My parents will accept whomever I choose as my wife. So, my parents will accept her as my wife. Tama. 7. Tell me, who told you this very good news? Tell me, he told you this very good news. So, tama yung who, no? Number 8. To her did Rema give the artwork? Tama, no? To whom did Rema give the artwork? By the way, Rema, this is your request, no? Who and whom. Number 9. As Leah Di Sumangkop is the doctor who takes care of my mother. In checking, no, you can say she takes care of my mother. So tama yung who, no? Number 10. She is at the door. She is at the door. So who ang tamang sagot? Who is at the door? Correct? Perfect score ba? Ayan. So, salamat sa panonood. Best regards kay Rema at sa naging student ko sa Secret Ingredient. Thank you for watching. And best regards to sa students ni Miss Hanne Chris Ilupa. Thank you.